Hi, so welcome to my second basic Java tutorial. And today's topic will be about variables, and I'll be showing you how to use them. So to make it simple, Java variable is a piece of memory that can contain a data value. And actually there is a specified format to declare a variable, so let me show you an example. Okay, so if we want to store a string, like storing text such as hello, then we can declare a string type and give a name to the variable and assign the value, like hello, or your own name or whatever, like this. So back to the IDE, we can type string, which is a data type. And secondly, we need to provide a variable name. Like in my case, I'll say my name and pass a variable of my own name. And let's display it on the console and see what we get as an output. So we can pass my name and run it. Okay, so as you can see, the value, which is Michael, has been displayed on the console. So it works. And as you might have realized, actually it doesn't have to be only strings. You can also assign other data types such as int, which is an integer, like this. Let me give you an example. So the data type for the integer is int. And let's give a name called age and pass a value, for example, like 10. Well, I'm not 10 years old, but I'll just write it like this. And replace this my name with age. And I assume that this value of 10 will be displayed on the console if we run it. Let's see if it's gonna work. See? So yes, now we have the value of number 10 assigned to this variable called age. And there's actually one more thing that I wanted to show you that might be a little interesting. You can actually combine the variables together and display it on the console like this, like my name, and use the operator plus and provide a double quotation and give a space, for example, like my name is, and add a plus operator again, and next assign the age variable like this, and give a plus again, and double operator, and give a space. So my name is years old. So can you guess what's going to be displayed on the console now? Okay, so let's give it a try. Michael is 10 years old. Like this, you can combine the variables and also like add these extra strings and display it on the console. Okay, so let's get back to the main topic. So as you might have realized, in Java there are different types of variables. So the ones which I showed you, the string, stores text such as hello, and the string values are surrounded by double quotes as you can see it. And for the ints, it stores integers like whole numbers without decimals. So if you try to add a decimal value, for example, like if like 0.00, it's gonna show an error. It only accepts whole numbers. And the next data type that I wanted to show you is a float. And the float stores floating point numbers with decimals such as 10.00 and so forth. So let me show you. So give a random variable name and let's see, 10.00, and you need the f at the end. So this is how the float data type is like. And the next one is char. And these char stores single characters such as like A or B or C. And these char's values are surrounded by like single quotes, like this, like A. And if you try to add some extra strings like this, it's gonna show an error. So yeah, technically it accepts only one character, so don't forget about it. And lastly, the most popular one is Boolean. So Boolean stores value with two states, true or false. So like, let's see. So it stores true or false. So you might be wondering like, what is this for? Well, it's going to be for a different time, but these Boolean values are going to be used for in many scenarios, such as like if-else statements or for conditions and stuff. It's very essential. So actually, there are more other data types other than the ones that I introduced you just earlier, like such as doubles, bytes, and so forth, but that will be for the other time. Anyway, I think that's about it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. So see you. Have a nice day.